Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the front shock absorber kit in the Frigidaire washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a number 2 square bit screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, a pair of pliers, 12mm wrench, a pair of large pliers, and some lubricant. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new shock absorber kit. The two front shock absorbers compensate the vibration of the tub during the wash and the spin cycle and are part of the suspension system of the washer. A broken shock absorber will cause the tub to sag in, banging noises, and no spinning. We need to take the top off. Using the number 2 square bit screwdriver, unscrew the 2 screws at the back of the top panel, pull the panel back slightly, and lift it off the washer. Pull the dispenser drawer out, press the tab down, and remove the drawer completely. Using the number 2 square bit screwdriver, take out 2 screws on the sides of the dispenser and the 3rd screw on the left side. With the same screwdriver, take out the 2 screws that hold the control panel on the top, one in each corner. Leave the panel off. Disconnect the wire plug at the control panel and take it away. Disconnect the large white wire plug on the top right. Open the door. Using the flat blade screwdriver, pry the outer boot clamp starting at the bottom where the spring is. Remove the door boot seal off the lip and tuck it inside. Close the door. Tilt the washer back and place the support under the front. Using the number 2 square bit screwdriver, take 4 bottom mounting screws out. Remove the wooden block and put the washer down. Another 3 number 2 square bit screws removed at the top of the front panel, and then you can lift the panel off and away. Slide the 12mm wrench on the tapered end of the top hinge pin and using the large pliers, pull the pin out. Remove the shock absorber from the socket. The opposite shock absorber is removed the same way. This is the old shock absorber kit next to the new one. If you don't have these parts, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the shock absorber into the bottom socket. Grease up the hinge pin. Match the holes and slide the pin in all the way. Stretch the shock absorber, install it into the top socket, match the holes and slide the greased pin in. You may use a large pliers to push it in. Repeat the procedure and install the opposite shock absorber. Bring the front panel and install it on the side posts. And secure it at the top with the 3 number 2 square bit screws. Lift the front of the washer onto the support. Secure the bottom of the front panel with the 4 number 2 square bit screws and then remove the wooden block. Open the door, pull out the door boot seal, and then we're going to install it on the outer lip. To install the front clamp, put it into the groove with the spring at 6 o'clock. Then grab the loop with the pliers, pull on the spring, stretch it, and install the clamp into the groove. Make a visual check, make sure it's inside, and also that the boot is all the way on, and you can pull on it. All right, now we can close the door. Connect the white wire plug at the top right. Bring the control panel, connect the plug, and install the panel. The top edge goes first, then we're going to push in the bottom edge. All right, now we're going to put screws in. Secure the control panel with the 2 number 2 square bit screws, 1 on each corner, on the top of the panel. The dispenser screws are different from the rest of the screws. The one which goes in the corner is the common screw. Install the 2 number 2 square bit dispenser screws on the side of the dispenser. Slide the dispenser drawer in, press the locking tab, and push it in all the way. Then install the top panel. Place it on less than ½ inch from the front panel and slide it forward to lock. Secure it with a couple of number 2 square bit screws. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.